Okay, now don't break stuff. Okay, let's let this one go. What's that one? Does it just continue? Confused here. Okay, so don't delete that one, Jeff. See, or breaking stuff. All right, now this one. Okay, this is for our chat, right? Let's refresh that. So that should show me a fresh chat. Okay. So let's see if we can find a short in here. Let's go to the VOD page. And the main spot I want to use for the short is the button. And I have the button listed in here in the description. Crop to portrait is 8:15. So let's go into here. So if we want to get 8:15 in the short, we'd want to go forward to 9:15. Let's go right to about there and then clip it. Hold on, let's let it finish loading. Okay, good. And then this, pause that one so we don't overload anything here. Okay, so let's go full minute and go back. Where's the button? There it is, crop to portrait. So it appears here at about 10 seconds. There it is. Okay, so if I highlight that one, does it show the other button there as well? Because once I crop to portrait, how long does it take for me to get to the other button? This is the main button. This is the main button that you hit to get into the YouTube Shorts share to YouTube Shorts thing. So you go right from here. Sharing is caring. Okay. Crop to portrait. Then it goes into this whole interface here. Okay. And I don't think I do it and hit next in time, so we'll make 2 shorts. Alright, so this is the crop to portrait button. Twitch, crop, clip, crop to portrait button for making YouTube shorts. Click it. Okay, so let's go ahead and publish that clip. Okay. And now it's doing the thing. This is hilarious. I find that hilarious. So what I did was I just made the clip, right? So then I go into the clip. Whoops. No, it's not. Not there then. Okay, we go back. Twitch clips to YouTube. Go back here. Cancel. Clips. So then it's right here, and then I click. Right. Okay. And then that's pretty much where we want it to be, isn't it? But it's not showing down there too much. If we take this one and we highlight it over that, that's the button. Okay. Can we move this? Okay, so we're in clips. Oh, there we go. But do we want to show that, or do we want to show this? So with this one, can I go like this and bring this over here? Hold on. Waiting for the clip to reset here. I think I like the other way though, but let's just wait and see. Clips, crop to portrait. See, if only this window could be dragged down, that would be awesome. Can we resize? Oh, hold on. And now can we drag it down? See, they go off the bottom there. Oh. Hold up. No, there's something stopping it from allowing me to put it down further, so let's go back to full size. I kind of like this one over here. Let's see, I guess we'll see what that looks like. Because the big one shows the crop to portrait button, and then the left one shows where on the interface we are. That's really the only way to show both of them. Unless I go over here. Yeah, let's try that. Because I want the crop to portrait button to be bigger. Let's just do that. Okay, next. And then all this here. Okay, so let's go to my... Let's get HTTPS. That one. Here, copy that. Close that. Go into here. We're going to paste it. Shorts. We're going to go education. Okay, then we're going to share to YouTube Shorts. Twitch clip, crop to portrait button. Making YouTube Shorts. Excuse me. Okay, so then let's just share that to YouTube Shorts. Nice. Okay, so that shows both buttons. Okay, we could do another short to show the other button, to highlight the other button. So if I click here, is that going to take me away from my chat? Okay, that's fine though. I think I'll hear TTS if somebody comes into chat. So let's go here. Let's go to the VOD page. Before we do that, let's find out. So the next button, share to YouTube Shorts, 10:19. Okay, so let's go to 10:19, but we want to do a minute forward, so we'll go 11. About right there. That'll give me the minute to... Okay, pause that for a second. Let's go back to where that's paused. But we can actually close that down. And then here's the... So let's go a full minute, and then let's go back. So what I like about this is you can literally drag this through. Share to YouTube Shorts. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. There's the button. So then let's watch the minute and see what we... May not even need a minute. Or we might not want this particular minute. Let's see. Share to YouTube Shorts. Okay, cool. And then I mentioned stuff about the TikTok. Okay, that looks good. So then let's just keep that. So now we're going to go Twitch, clip, share to YouTube, Shorts button. And publish. Okay, now we can go back to here. Whoops, that doesn't take me to my dashboard. Let's go to Video Producer. Let's go to Clips. Shows up here, Share to YouTube Shorts button. Okay, so let's go Crop to Portrait. So this one we want to highlight on there. And this part will bring... Yeah, let's just do it like that. Next. And then I think I still have the URL there. And then we will... just share to YouTube Shorts. Okay. Closing this window. Okay, we're good. Sorry, I'm spacing out on coffee here. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so we just did those extra shorts there. I just did 2 more shorts while I made this stream. So. Okay, so I just made 2 more shorts that describe a little bit more. Actually, they don't describe much more. They just highlight those 2 buttons. Those are the 2 main buttons on how to do it. So, I'm all about the YouTube Shorts from Twitch VODs. That is so easy. That crop to portrait, and then the trimming and everything. That's just like, why doesn't YouTube have a feature like that for YouTube videos? Because that's really awesome. Like, that's really awesome. I really like that. So I'm super excited for that. Let's go back to here. Let's go look at the shorts coming in. Content. Okay, so those will take a few to get in here. Bum, bum. I know I did so many. I've done so many shorts. That one's already public. Okay, great. And that one's already public. That was quick. Okay, so they're pretty quick to get to public too. So there you go. All right, now what do you do? I don't know. Now let's just do some Codingame. Let's go into here. Dun, 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 dun. There, let's do Codingame the rest of the stream, I think. I don't know. Maybe something will come to me and I'll be hyped and pumped and excited and whatever. I'll be right back. Excuse me. Okay, so fastest mode here. Input is a language letter followed by a number. Print the number out in words. Numbers as words in either English or Spanish depending upon the language letter. E is for English, S is for Spanish. Some helpful info is already in the program stub. English 0 through 9 is 0. Oh, okay. So like a translator. How many cases will follow? How many lines of string? Line of string. Okay. Reads as. You're supposed to output the word reads as. Oh. Oh, cool. Okay. No, I don't want. Totally don't want to. Oh, let's see what somebody said. glslsandbox? What is glslsandbox? What is this? New shader? What do you do? Extension GLOES standard derivatives enable. Oh, this one's cool. Look at this. Gallery. This looks like oh, I see. Okay, this is very similar to time mouse resolution. Yeah, this is the same thing as ShaderToy. Okay, so gallery. There are errors. What's the error? I was gonna say. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cool? Nice. I like that. So this is glslsandbox. I've never seen that before. Oh, that's if you right click you can get it to stop following the mouse. That's cool. You can also probably go into the code here. Probably just take out this mouse YX minus 0.5. Just take that out. There's no other use of the mouse, so. And set it to 90. Zero. Oh, there we go. That's better. Now it's directly in the center of the screen. That's cool. Well, see, like for example, in this one, the first thing that happens is, see, like UV right here, and where's the see, NSC equals geofrag core, dir equals that, and then UV equals. Position equals UV, yeah, so the first, just setting the position and UV coordinates is the only thing that will. You know what I need to do? Oh, somebody deleted a post? Oh. You know what I need to do is, why don't I do like a raffle or something, and every week I'll give away a free copy or something. Every week I'll give away a free copy to someone who engages like this person, because I really appreciate this person engaging and commenting. Let's see. Something to think about. You heard about it here on stream. glslsandbox, that's pretty awesome. Let's save that. This would be fun to play with, this particular, although it's just the hex. It's just the hex distance function, and then it's rotated around there. Rotation XY. So it's just the hex distance and the rotation XY, which is really cool. Okay, nobody get dizzy. We're fine. Everybody's fine. Okay, I'll be right back.
Micro Madness Games, A. Enamiker Golem.
glslsandbox. Okay. Okay, so speaking of which, let's see what happens when I use glfragchord. Okay. So right now what I've got in here, oh, let's go to the bottom. See, I equals GL point chord. I don't think it'll work, would it? See, because what's happening is I'm using the geometry shader. What if we take out the geometry shader? Okay, but let's just do a little bit of experimentation here. So we go like that. Take out the geometry shader. We have all this that goes in. Which means now we're going directly to the fragment shader. If I update now, the screen should go blank. So let's, and we're going to draw just one point, right? We're only drawing one point. So let's go directly to F color, F border color, F miscellaneous. We're not going to use size. We're going to set the size here. Because I'm not using the size, although outfloat FID, we can do that. Okay. Although we'd have to set the FID. Okay, so here, G size. So this has got to be GL. Point size. This has got to be FVID. No, this has got to be FID. G color, F miscellaneous, F there. Okay, GL position. Everything else is good. So that one should pass everything through, and we're just going to draw one point. And then down here, let's see, which one do I want to draw? K? Let's go with the Kamishi one, or we can do yin yang, or we can do the last one. Let's do the all. I like the all. So let's keep the if length discard. Let's just go like this. Color plus equals all. Are we drawing 3? Oh, 3 points, right. Okay. I don't think we can switch to glfragchord. Whoops. Oh, let's close that. Let's go into look at one of these real quick. Sample blur. Let's just browse. Oh, here's the one. See, fragchord times 2. UV equals UV, fragchord. But will that actually work, I'm wondering? I don't know. Let's see. I don't know. And then, because fragchord is... Let's see what we got. Available only contains the window relative coordinates. So what it is yeah. Available only in fragment languages and input variable window relative coordinates. That's the problem. Values for the fragment. If multi-sampling, this value can be for any location within the pixel or one of the fragment samples. This value is the result of fixed function and interprets primitive. GL chord may be redeclared with the additional layout qualifier in origin upper left pixel center integer. By default, GL chord assumes a lower left origin for window coordinates and assumes pixel centers are located at half pixel centers. For example, XY location is returned for the lower leftmost pixel in a window. Yeah, so GL chord goes from 0 to 1920 on the x-axis and 0 to 1080p on the y. So it really wouldn't... So what happens in the fragment shader here is if I use GL chord, well, we're already not. Let's just frag chord. But let's go like this. It's a vector 2, so let's... First of all, we do just that. I don't think that'll work, right? There's an error. Yeah, cast from vector 4, which GL frag chord is. So let's just go XY. Okay, and then it's blank, but it does work. Okay, so then you want to take the X. There's probably something very, very small down here in the bottom. So then you want to divide out the resolution. So in this case, I know what the resolution is. It's 1920, comma 1080. Which should make the X go from 0 to 1. Hold on. Let me look at ShaderToy again. What's this one? Looks cool. Okay, so where's the... let's go down to main here. Get automata. That's cool. Oh boy, there's a lot of code here. What's going on? Okay. Come on. Boy, even the main is huge. Alright. There it is. Okay, so frag chord minus the resolution times 0.5 divided by the y. That gives you... Okay, let's try that. Let's just copy this real quick into the... So where are we at here? Let's just copy it and paste it there. Okay, so... Blum, blum, blum. So we're going to go GL frag chord, X, Y, okay. Then we're going to subtract the resolution. I haven't worked with GL frag chord in quite a while, which is why. And it's going to be the resolution times 0.5. Okay, and then there's that. And then we're going to divide by 1080 dot. And then delete this. Ah, so it gives us the point here. Okay. And then the reason it's drawn like that is because the frag coordinate is now mapped to the point.
Micro Madness Games, that's the middle.
Because they're...
Micro Madness Games.
We're actually drawing 3 points, so if I divide this by 3 times at the bottom here, so if we go 3,000, I think we'd see all 3 points. They're off just by a little bit because it's not exactly 3. Interesting. White screen.
Micro Madness Games. Oh, nice.
Hey, Micro Madness, welcome. Welcome, how's it going? I've been going crazy doing shorts. There's a new feature on Twitch which I'm excited about. You can go into clips, click the crop to portrait, and then drag the two screens, and then you get two screens on top of each other in your short, and then you can share directly to YouTube Shorts right from Twitch. Okay, this is cool. Now what I can do, because I've modified my shader, let's just go, what's this one?
Micro Madness Games. Oh yeah, I saw that, I just have not looked at it yet.
So let's go frag chord 01. Save that. And we'll come down here. Actually, let's go like this. Frag chord 01 FS and save that there. Then we'll pop down here. Save this as the frag chord example. And save the shader group. And now it should be here. So I can go back to default. Come back to test, and then I can go to frag chord example. Oh, perfect. Mini golf clap. Mini golf clap, Jeff. Nice. Nice. Okay. That's cool. That's cool. Okay, so that allows you to use GL point chord here, or GL frag chord. So then it goes back to the size of the point. So then what you can do up here, see the point size, if I wanted to multiply the point size by 2, then we get bigger points. Or by 3. Oh. How many? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 by 20. Okay, Minecraft blocks are 16 by 16, aren't they? I think. That's almost a Minecraft block. Okay, so let's go back to here.
Micro Madness Games. I'm having trouble with the temperatures on Codingame. Micron 31 range.
But you can also use GL frag chord. I haven't tried that yet. Okay, so yeah, it does work. Just a second. I'm willing to try Codingame Temperatures. So yeah. Now, is it resolution divided by... Yeah, the whole thing divided by the Y. Okay, save the edited there. That's cool, 21 minutes ago. Alright, so what is this one? This is the second time that you've come in and talked about this. Let's see what you're doing. Uh-oh, what was that?
Games Temperatures would be easy for you.
Departs company and board? Why? Hold up. OpenAI's board no longer has confidence in his ability to continue leading OpenAI, the company announced in a blog post Friday. That was quick. The post says that the Altman's departure follows a deliberative review process by the board, which concluded that he was not consistently candid in his communications with the board, hindering its ability to exercise its responsibilities. Chief Technology Officer Mira Murati will serve as interim CEO, and a search is underway to identify a permanent successor, according to the post. Wow. That's crazy. I wonder what caused that. I mean, he just made an appearance at the Dev Day. Okay, how do I get to this? Puzzles? Solo puzzles? Search for temperatures? This, what level? Classic puzzle? Code Golf Easy? Which one? Classic puzzle? Easy. Oh, okay, I might actually do this. Oh, I've done it already. I've done it already, bruh. Having trouble with temperatures on Codingame. How did I do it, though? Bum, 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 bum. C sharp? Let's go to C++. I am almost 100% positive I didn't do it in C++. Well, let's work on this for a little bit. I'll go back, and it's probably been such a while since I've done this. Let's close that. So yes, can confirm if you disable geometry in tessellation mode, you can use glfrag resolution. It works, and I have it set up currently to draw points, so the OpenGL engine maps the coordinates to the points drawn. Also, it's set up to draw 3 points, so if you divide by resolution times 3, you can again see all 3 points on screen. I'm streaming as I type this and just did this on stream. Also, I was not aware of glslsandbox. Seems awesome, like ShaderToy. Thanks. Bum, 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 bum. I guess that makes sense. And this is all saved now, which is awesome. Let me just confirm when I go to reload this that it will load that accurately. So let's go down here. Frag chord example. Perfect. That's awesome. Okay. Golf clap, Jeff. Golf clap. Okay, in this exercise, you have to analyze records of temperature to find the closest to 0. Sample temperatures here, -1 is the closest to 0. Write a program that prints the temperature closest to 0 among the input data. If two numbers are equally close, positive integer has to be considered closest to 0. For instance, if the temperatures are -5 and 5, then display 5. Your program must read from the data standard input. Okay. So what do we got here? What happens if we just go cout T? And then result. We're going to do the closest one, so int C equals...
Micro Madness Games. I'm using Python 3.
Ah, okay. I think I may have solved it in Python, so I'm not going to pull it up and show you the code. Just yet. Not just yet. I may have solved it in Python or JavaScript. I don't know. So we're getting all these numbers. And what we want to know, if the absolute value of t is less than c, then we want to set c equal to t. And in the end, we just want to out c. Only negative numbers, found 12, expected -5. So the absolute value of -5 should be less than absolute value of c, because c is set equal to t. And then when, so let's set a Boolean called same equals false. And then we're going to go if, actually let's go right in here. Because if they're the same, we need to set a Boolean to catch that. If absolute value of t equals the absolute value of c, okay, then we're going to go same equals true. And then here we'll go like this, we'll go if same, we're going to see out absolute value of c. Else we're just going to see out c. Okay, does that get that one? Only negative numbers. Found 5, expected negative 5. So, so did this one set it?
Madness games. Bool is a loop and you're using a for loop, right?
Bool is a loop and you're using a for loop, right? Bool is a Boolean variable that's true or false. Let's see, is this still going? Are we at, am I at an hour? Is that what's going on? 49 minutes. Let's find some other music here real quick. Lo-fi of the kingdom. Here, let's go like that.
Professor Terence Tao is the equivalent of a rock star in mathematics.
Regarded as
Cool. Okay, so let's see. So what was the problem? Only negative numbers, right? So I think what we need to do is set that equal. But then am I breaking it? I'm breaking it. Yeah, so why did I break it? Because of this. Same equals true. Hold on. C equals t, right? And then if absolute value of t is equal to the absolute value of c, but it will it might, and if it's less than, it's not going to be equal in there, so it'll never reach same. Oh, but we need to check, because what if we find one that's less than and then later we find one that's positive? Then we need to check if they're all equal, less than or equal to. Absolute value of t equals that, then same equals true. Okay. And there's never a condition where we're going to set same back to false. And then if same is true, then we're just going to out the positive. Otherwise,
Micro Madness games. Equals. Maybe.
let's see. Yeah, it's still broken on this one. So let's see what happens. Why are we, let's each time through here, let's see what happens. So C out, C, and then C out, space, and C out T, and then give me that. So what's happening here is, so the first one's 12, negative 12. So C after that run is set equal to negative 12. And then the next one's negative 5. So C gets set equal to negative 5. And then the next one is negative 137. Am I thinking about this right? Closest to 0. Oh, right. I'm thinking the least one. So found negative 12, negative 12. Okay, so the end answer is negative 5. Oh, I see. What I'm checking right here is not the right check. Because as soon as I set C equal to T, I check to see if T is equal to C. So we want to check that before I set it equal. Now it should work. So what happens when you get no temperature? Display 0 if no temperatures are provided, otherwise the temperature closer to 0. So then down here, this or this, so else. So same is going to be false at this point. So let's go like this. And then we're going to go if C equals 9999, then we're supposed to out 0, C out 0. And then here we're just going to go else. Okay, so is that everything now? Did I break it with that last part? No? Okay, we got it. So what did I do before? Two negative temperatures that are equal. Apparently there's a test case. What's that? Fort hype? What? So apparently there's a case where two negative temperatures are equal and it does not pass. So it gave me 91%. So can I go back? If two negative types are equal, so we want to go and T is not, or T is greater than 0, and C is greater than 0. Wait. If they're both, and not T is less than 0, and C is less than 0. Because if they're both less than 0, it doesn't work. So they both have to not be less than 0. So that and that. And then do we need parentheses around this? Whoops, what are we doing? Breaking stuff with the mouse. So this and not that. So now let's play all test scores. Make sure we didn't break anything. Submit. There we go. Now we got it. What you learned. Okay, got it. Learn from the best coders. Okay, cool. Rate it. Love it.
Micro Madness Games.
What? Did we do it? Did we get it? Have you got it? There you go, bro. I haven't done one of those practice ones on Codingame in a long time. It's kind of fun. Oh my goodness. Okay, very cool. I'll be right back. Okay, what's happening? What's happening? What I miss? Nothing? Okay. Maybe we should do another one of these. Fall challenge. I don't want to do that. It looks scary. It looks scary. I think I'm going to go close the window because it's getting cold in here, but I got fresh air in here now, so I'll be right back. Okay, got my hat and it's still warm. Okay, what do we got? So let's go to solo upcoming. Let's go to puzzles. Easy puzzles? Let's go view all. Easy. Bin packing, ASCII art, logic, memoization. Oh. Geometry, ASCII art, 2D array. Oh, this one's by Juice. Parsing, recursion. 2D array, reverse minesweeper. Oh. Boy, there's a lot of these are all easy. There's a lot of them. That's cool. Loops, image processing, huh? Interesting. String manipulation. Create the longest sequence of ones. Bum, 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 bum. I don't know. Let's go back to itch here and see what we got. Browse. Most recent games. Survival Soldier. Maybe I'll play a game here. Skyward Odyssey. That looks interesting. Skyward Odyssey, embark on an epic aerial journey. Welcome on board the Skyward Odyssey, where the skies are your domain. Oh. Let's see what this is. Download now. Name your price. Cool. View all by SL Render Studio. Subseekers, Canary Skies, Missile Mayhem, Zombie X Photo. Zombie X Photo is a game, made for Kenny Jambug. Can be include something still releasing. Okay, spelling. So, is this one not in the browser? It's download. Oh, no comments on it. Quite a little bit of a description. How big is the download? 33 megabytes? Not very big. Wonder how they're doing their coding. Skyward Odyssey. Alright, well let's look at it and see. Yes, I did a little bit of Bing.
Madness Games, Sharp.
I did a little bit of Bing. C#. Did they use C#, you think? I have no idea. 7-zip, Skyward Odyssey. Oh, Unity. Unity put out such a small application? Interesting. Whoops, I think I need to, hold on. Let me go into my music. Wait, where's the music? Oh, it's in the browser here. Let's pause that, minimize that. Okay, here we are. Settings, controls, C sound, UI sound high, 1080 by, oh. Can we do this one here? Is full screen. Does it have to be full screen? No. Oh, that's nice. Nice feature. I really like that. Okay, play. Oh. What are we doing? Time survived.
Micro Madness Games, allow maybe assembly language.
Assembly language. You're funny. I'm not sure what's happening. So far, the only thing that seems to work is the mouse back and forth, and that's it.
Micro Madness Games, VS Code right.
And escape seems to take you in and out of the game, I guess? It looks like we're on a ship in the water. Did we just run into that ship? There's another ship coming. Did it just crash into that one? Really not sure what's happening. Huh. Okay, so I don't know how to play that, and actually I don't know how to exit either. So let's just close it. Okay. So that was weird. Why doesn't it have a game page? Masterful control. I didn't feel masterful control. I didn't feel any control at all. Let's follow. Very interesting. Let's just post that. I mean, that should be in the game, but whatever. So view all. Okay. Another water game. Interesting. Browse. Games. Most recent. Steel Clash platformer fighting game. Looks like it might be fun. I have no idea. What is Steel Clash? A platformer fighting game. The game is made to have fun playing with your friends on the same computer. If you have friends, obviously. How did Steel Clash come into being? As a project we submitted part of our video game development to Lahore. The prototype two students working. Despite the developers being French, the game is in English, in which programming language Unity C#. When you've launched the game, every keyboard or controller can... Oh, it's a two-player. Oh, that's cool. Who made the game? Okay, cool. So, interesting. Sky Arcanum. Well, let's follow. I think I'd like to play this game rather than the other one. Sky Arcanum is an action platformer, with the player's goal being to rebuild his flying boat, which has crashed. Just like him, on an archipelago of flying islands. But be careful, as this archipelago is populated by aggressive creatures, and the ship's lost parts have been stolen by powerful enemies. Will you be able to rebuild your ship and return to the great gathering of wizards? Only the future will tell. Oh, that's cool. How did Sky Arcanum come into being? End of the year project, 7 students working on it. Really? In what language Sky Arcanum is? Despite being French, the game is in English again. With programming controls. Once you've launched the game and finished the introduction, you can press the escape button to open the pause menu from which you can access the controls. However, here's a list of the available controls. Select spells, 1, 2, 3, selected item, move to the right, left, switch spell, grappling. Okay, cool. Oh, and it's got controller support. Interesting. Okay, I do have a controller, but I don't want to plug it in and use it, I guess. As I said earlier, there was 7 of us who created the game, but other people also took part in the project. So here's a list of people who worked on it: developers, temporary game artist, producer. 7 people. If you don't know how to extract a zip, this video is for you. So, okay, my computer didn't crash from the last one. Let's just try this one. Thanks for downloading. It just takes you right straight to the download. Okay, cool.
Micro Madness Games, have you played Screech's World?
Oh, I have that as a demo.
Micro Madness Games, on Steam.
I have the demo for that. I have not played it though. Is it fun? Let's see. Skyward Odyssey, Sky Arcanum.
Micro Madness Games, yet for tried but.
This one looks very similar with the file size and everything. Interesting. Let's see what happens. At least it's got the play credits. I like the UI here. This is cute. And it's got music.
Micro Madness Games, I'm really new to programming.
Well, welcome to programming. Your journey begins on a ship flying through the peaceful sky of Arcanum, a magical land where wizards, bards, and witches live together in harmony. On your way to the secular Great Wizard gathering, you find yourself in some trouble. Doesn't look like trouble. It looks
Micro
peaceful.
Madness Games, you might like screams.
You got caught in a terrible storm that not even your magical abilities could help you escape from. No! Through the wind and thunder, you managed to land on a floating island nearby. It looks dark. Everything's dark. I'm scared. Unfortunately, your ship suffered heavy damage on impact. How did I know? How did I know? You realize that it's missing a propeller, your sails, and most importantly, the magical orb supposed to power the entire ship. Shoot, I gotta get my magical orb back. I've gotta get my propeller and sails. Without those parts, there isn't the slightest chance for you to leave these islands. Got it. You must explore your surroundings to find the missing parts of your ship. I love this. It's just hilarious. I'm sure they didn't mean it to be hilarious, but that is hilarious. Start your journey. Is the button big enough? Where do I click? What do I do? What's happening right now? I'm just being funny. Okay, I'm just being funny and having fun here. This is a fun game. What did I get? What did I get? Okay, let's go back and look. wanted to go down here anyway, so let's just... Oh, I got him. I got him. Can't quite see what's down here. Oh, he did get me. Okay, so E. 1, 2, 3. I don't know. Get away from that guy. Okay. What is that? That's like Terraria. It's an opening to the... Oh, that's cool. Very nice. Oh, I got hit? No, I didn't. I didn't get anything from killing him? Gypped. Can I get back up here after I go down there? Uh-oh. Oh, no! I'm so toast. Doesn't look good. Can I duck? Oh. And I died. That was cool. Did you see that boss? Okay, let's quit. I like how they have a quit. Perfect. They have a quit option. I like that game. I'm going to leave a comment. Okay. Seems really cool. I like how they spent 5 weeks on it and one of game design and 4 weeks of development. So that's really cool because a week of game design. So they just thought about it, decided what they're going to do, and then after knowing what it was going to be, then they put it together. That is the way to go. That is really the way to go. That's really cool. I love itch. I'm so sold on itch. It's way better than Steam in my opinion. It is way better than Steam in my opinion. Oh yeah, I got this. I remember getting this. Is it? Let's download it. I remember this game. Windows 64-bit. Okay, I'll play that one. Okay, I think I'm probably gonna take a break. I don't know if I'm gonna end stream. I don't know what I'm doing really. I don't know what I'm doing. I am not sure. What am I doing? I'll be back after a short break.